तो आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड, इट्स कॉल्ड कार्डियोमेलिन. So have you heard of this topic before? Have you heard of this? No.
No.
Okay. So it was quite new for me also. It was quite new for me also. So basically, as we know कि बहुत सारा रिसर्च हुआ है on healthy aging and how the cognitive decline जो वृद्धत्व में होता है, so how that can be reduced. So as you all know, you have heard a lot of talks on Tare Social, that lot of research has gone into that. So more recently, there's a lot of research which has been done on physical activity and cognitive training. Okay, तो physical activity कैसे हम लोगों को benefit कर सकती है, and exercising the brain, that is the cognitive activity. So how that has been studied widely. Okay, so तभी ये ध्यान में आया है कि scientists have been saying, researchers have been saying that cognitive activity and bodily exercises need to be combined. Okay, either हम लोग physical activity करते हैं, so whatever it might be, yoga exercises है या फिर walking है, whatever activity which you do, so that physical activity and the cognitive activity which you do, something for the brain, something which is stimulating for the brain. So those activities need to be combined. And if they are combined, then that is going to give you a better outcome. और उससे हमारा जो cognitive health है, that is going to improve much more than doing physical activity separately and cognitive activity separately. आ रहा है समझ में क्या बोल रही हूं मैं? Okay, so that is what they have been saying. And in 2020, in a journal in aging research, so this is the title of the journal. So there they scrutinized about 40 studies on this topic, and they concluded that physical activity and brain exercises done simultaneously at the same time are going to benefit our cognitive performance much more than doing it independently. Okay, तो यही जो कंबाइंड ट्रेनिंग को मतलब इन प्रैक्टिस लाने के लिए देर इज दीज आर दी एक्सरसाइजेस विच आर कॉल्ड कार्डियोमेलिन. ओके, तो ये जो कार्डियोमेलिन एक्सरसाइजेस हैं, दोज वर क्रिएटेड एंड डेवलप्ड बाय द स्पीच पैथोलॉजिस्ट. ओके, तो स्पीच पैथोलॉजिस्ट और उनका वाइनलैंडर, मिस वाइनलैंडर करके उनका नाम है. So she developed these exercises by a speech pathologist, and wo generally she works with adults, and she sees people who have age related changes, brain stroke, brain injury, and she thought that people need to move their bodies, and at the same time they have to work on making their minds strong. And she wanted people to see this connection, that there is a connection between physical activity and your cognitive performance. Okay, तो जब भी आप physical exercise करते हैं तो उसका फायदा आपके brain को भी होता है. Cognitively also you are benefited from that. So she basically developed these exercises, and so these exercises which are there of cardiomyelin, तो ये generally these are beneficial for 4-5 मेजर थिंग्स जो वृद्धत्व में अफेक्ट हो सकते हैं या फिर उनका डिक्लाइन हो सकता है. सो विच आर दीज एस्पेक्ट्स? वन इज मेमोरी. Okay, so it helps in improving your memory. Another important thing, attention. Third thing is thinking, language skills. Okay, so all these things are benefited. And she's saying, Miss Weinlander is saying that we need to work on these things. Automatically, my attention, my thinking, my memory is not going to improve just like that. So I have to work on it. And these cardiomyelin exercises are going to enable me to do that. Okay, and she's saying that these physical exercises have been developed by fitness instructors who have a lot of experience of working with people above the age of 50. Okay. तो ये दिस इज इन ब्रीफ अबाउट कार्डियो मेलिन. कार्डियो एज इन कार्डियो, मेलिन एज इन वाटरमेलन. ओके, तो ये एक्सरसाइजेस हैं. मतलब काफी है, करीब 10-12 है. सो आई विल ट्राई एंड शो यू as many as possible. Should you to see me
Yes.
Yeah.
and hear me also?
Yes.
Okay. So now we are going to do the very first exercise, where it is called marching in place. It is called marching in place. तो इसमें क्या करना है हम लोगों को? वी हैव टू डू सिंपल मार्च. सिंपल मार्च करते हुए वी हैव टू थिंक ऑफ 10 वर्ड स्टार्टिंग विथ एस. 10 वर्ड स्टार्टिंग विथ एस. ओके, सो शुगर, स्वीट, solid, solitary.
Salt.
Okay, so you
Salt.
can think of other this. So when you are doing physical exercises, moving your hands and your legs, you are also exercising your brain. आ रहा है समझ में? So what did I do? I'm marching at the same place and at the same time. If you don't want 10 words, take 5 words. Do 5 words and do the marching also. Okay, so we'll do it once again. I see some people who are actually doing it.
Yes, yes.
Razia madam is doing it. Sirit Malhotra madam is doing it. I can see them doing it. Okay, so marching, smart. What else did I say? Sugar, suave. What else did I say? Solid.
Salt.
Sun.
Gnat.
Yes.
Sun.
Sun. Yes. What else? What else?
Summer.
Keep on marching. Keep on marching till the time you cannot think of those 5 words. Okay? So ये we are exercising the body and the brain at the same time, which enhances our cognitive performance. Okay, तो ये maybe if you do it regularly over a period of time, you will be able to see the outcome also. This is the first exercise which we have done. I'll move on to the next one. हाँ,
We can sit and march. Ma'am,
Huh?
we can sit and march.
you can sit and
Sometimes
march. If it's not
march.
convenient for you standing,
No.
sit and march. No problem.
Sit and march. Thank you.
Yeah. दूसरा जो एक्सरसाइज है उसको that is a cardio exercise which is called cross crawl, जो हम लोगों ने ब्रेन जिम में भी किया था. नॉट सो डिफिकल्ट. तो इसमें हम लोगों को क्या करना है? द राइट elbow has to be joined to the left knee. Right elbow, left knee. Sitting में भी कर सकते. Right elbow, left knee.
Left knee. Yeah.
Okay, so ये करते वक्त now I am doing that. At the same time, I am saying 14 plus 10 is 24. 14 plus 11 is equal to 25. 15 plus 9 is equal to 24. Okay, so there are some people who ask other people to ask them certain questions. These prompts as they are called. या फिर आप खुद ही तैयार करके कर सकते हैं. आ रहा है समझ में? What did I do?
Yeah.
Right
Yeah.
elbow,
Right.
I join to the
On the
left
left.
knee. While doing that, 25 plus 10, 25 plus 20, 45, 45 plus 20, 65, 65 plus 10, 75.
10.
Take easy things first. If you are really good at maths, you can go matlab,
Left
take
to right.
calculations also. Okay, so doing
Yeah.
2 things at the same time. Okay, so that is the second one. Cross crawl with mathematical
Cross
calculations. Okay, आ रहा है समझ में?
Mhm.
Okay. Now we'll move on to the third one.
Third
दो
one.
हो गए. पहले हम लोगों ने मार्चिंग इन प्लेस किया, दूसरा हम लोगों ने किया क्रॉस
Cross.
क्रॉल, और उसमें हम लोगों ने मैथमेटिकल कैलकुलेशंस भी साथ में किए. द थर्ड एक्सरसाइज विच वी आर डूइंग इज कॉल्ड द मॉडिफाइड जंपिंग जैक. ओके, मॉडिफाइड जंपिंग जैक. ओके, इसमें भी हम लोग मैथमेटिकल कैलकुलेशंस करेंगे. सो इसमें क्या करना है, पैर ऐसे करके, पैर में खाली थोड़ा सा उसको स्प्रेड आउट कर रही हूं. दैट इज
That is.
ऑल आई एम डूइंग, विच यू आर नॉट एबल टू सी.
Yes.
बेटर.
That is right. Yeah.
No, can't see.
Yeah. Yeah. Right. This.
We can see. We can see, Amrita.
You can see, no, you don't
Yeah.
need to see my face. You just need to
नहीं
see
नहीं.
my face.
Now we can
I'm
see.
just waving. एक
Now we
हाथ
can
को,
see.
एक पैर को स्प्रेड कर रही हूँ, दूसरे पैर को स्प्रेड कर रही हूँ.
Mhm. And raise your hands.
And yeah, again I will come back to
Yeah.
the hand. I'm just doing that. And legs also I have shown you. Okay, so this is called the modified jumping jack.
Yes.
Modified jumping jack. Again it is with mathematical calculations. 8 plus 23 कितना होता है? 23 plus 8 कितना होता है?
40.
23 plus 8
31.
31.
31. 31.
ओके, तो ये सिंपल सिंपल भी हम लोगों को थोड़ा बहुत ध्यान लगा के अटेंशन पे करके करना पड़ता है. ओके, डू दीज काइंड ऑफ सिंपल कैलकुलेशंस. 23 plus 8 is 23 plus 8 is 31.
31.
16 minus 11. 16 minus 11.
5. 5.
So while doing this modified jumping jack, we have to do these mathematical calculations. Simple, very simple, but we have to be able to process, okay, that calculation and provide the answer. तीसरा समझ में आया? पैर भी दिखाए मैंने आपको, खाली मैं पैर को मैं
पहला
spread out
दूसरा
कर रही
ये
हूं और कुछ नहीं कर रही हूं मैं.
ओके.
ओके ओके,
कैलकुलेशन.
सो दिस इज
Okay.
द, हाँ, तो ये हो गया तीसरा, विच इज कॉल्ड द मॉडिफाइड जंपिंग जैक along with again mathematical calculations. अभी जो चौथा है उसमें चौथा इज कॉल्ड द स्क्वाट. स्क्वाट शायद आपको मालूम होगा, जनरली स्क्वाट करते हैं.
ओके.
स्क्वाट करते हैं ना, तो आइदर यू डू इट पैर फैला के एंड टू पैर को साथ में जोड़ के. पैर को फैला के, पैर को साथ में जोड़ के. स्क्वाट, पैर को फैला के, पैर को साथ में जोड़ के. ओके, इसमें हम लोग को डिवीजन करना है, तो वो करते करते 45 minus 9 5. 72 divided by 8 कितना है? 72 divided by 8. 72 divided by 8.
9.
वेरी गुड. ओके, सो ये खुद के लिए ही आप कुछ कैलकुलेशंस बनाओ और आप कर सकते हो. ओके, सो स्क्वाटिंग एंड डिविजन. ओके, अलग अलग मैथमेटिकल कैलकुलेशंस फॉर डिफरेंट एक्सरसाइजेस. ओके, सो व्हाट डिड वी डू? स्क्वाटेड. पैर थोड़ा सा मैंने फैलाया. डू आई नीड टू शो दिस अगेन?
Yeah.
No. Yes. No.
Now we saw.
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Spread out.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, this is called squatting.
Yeah.
Okay.
It is with a twist. Okay, जहाँ पे हम लोगों ने division किया है. Okay. Now the next exercise in cardiomyelin is, it's called the high knee walk. It's called the
High knee walk.
high knee
High.
walk.
High knee walk.
High
Knee
knee
walk.
walk.
Okay.
Okay, should I show you? First, I'll show you the exercise and then comes the calculation.
Okay.
मैं थोड़ा
High
सा
knee.
Oh.
high knee. I'm
Okay.
raising my knee.
Okay.
Oh,
थोड़ा
raising
cross
your
कर रही हूँ. Take my hands cross across the shoulder on the opposite side, and I am going to ask you the fourth letter in English alphabets. Which is the fourth letter?
D. D.
D. Very good. Okay, so ऐसे ही आप अलग अलग क्वेश्चंस को
Question.
ढूंढ के आप सकते हैं, but they have वो लोगों, so we can make use of that. So what did I do? High knee. I am just raising my knee and taking my hands
Cross.
The opposite side.
across the shoulder. It's called high knee walk.
Knee.
High knee walk. And what did I do? I took the letters of the alphabet.
Alphabet.
Okay, what is the eighth letter of the alphabet?
A, B, C, D, F, G,
करते
H.
करते भी कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं ना?
H,
very
H.
good.
H.
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 H. H.
H.
So the point is, हमारे को अगर हमारा brain and cognitive health, if we want to have good cognitive health, then we need to work on it. It cannot be
Yes.
done automatically. Okay. Okay. So that is high knee walk. Okay. Now I am going to बीच में ही उन्होंने, they have given some words which you have to memorize, which you have to keep in mind and tell me at the end of the session.
Okay.
Memorize. Don't write it down. Memorize.
Okay.
Listen and keep it in mind. Okay, I'm going to tell you sets of 3. So you have to keep that in mind. As per the exercises only, I am telling you. The first, this 3 words: tuna, salmon, catfish. All types of fishes.
Wow.
Tuna, salmon,
Salmon.
catfish.
Catfish.
Tuna, salmon,
Salmon.
catfish. हुआ?
Catfish.
हाँ, ये अभी रजिस्टर कर दीजिए. दूसरा
Okay.
क्या बोल रही हूँ मैं? बेसबॉल.
Tuna.
Baseball.
Tuna, salmon, catfish.
Salmon and catfish.
हाँ,
Tuna,
you have to tell
salmon
me at
and
the end
catfish.
of the session.
Salmon. Next.
Okay, second one is baseball, baseball,
Baseball.
golf, football,
Golf. Football.
baseball, golf,
Baseball. Golf
football,
and football.
Golf.
football,
Golf. Football.
Baseball.
Golf.
Golf.
And football.
Golf.
baseball, golf, and football.
Golf.
Baseball. Golf. Football.
Baseball, ball,
Golf.
golf,
Baseball and
football.
football.
Third set now. Elbow, wrist, and thigh.
Thigh.
Elbow.
Elbow.
Elbow,
Wrist.
and
Wrist.
thigh.
And thigh.
Thigh
Elbow, wrist, and
wrist,
thigh.
and
Thigh.
thigh. कितने हो गए सब
Elbow,
शब्द
wrist, and
कितने हो गए?
thigh.
हाँ.
9.
Elbow,
9.
wrist and thigh.
So you have
Elbow,
to tell
wrist
me at
and
the end
thigh.
of the session. I'm
Okay.
just going to
Reset.
repeat those sets of 3 once, and then we will take it up at the end of the session. First is tuna, salmon, catfish.
Catfish.
Tuna,
Tuna,
salmon,
salmon,
catfish.
catfish.
Baseball, golf, football.
Football. Golf.
Baseball, golf,
Football.
football. Elbow, wrist,
football.
thigh.
Elbow. Wrist.
Elbow,
Thigh.
wrist and thigh.
Thigh.
बस
Finish.
Okay, now we move ahead. Now we again go back to the exercises. Okay, and then take up these words at the end of the session.
जब तक याद रहना चाहिए.
Okay,
जब तक याद रहेगा.
याद रहेगा. आप पहले से
याद
डाउट
रहेगा क्यों
करो.
नहीं?
याद
See,
रहेगा.
in-
Come on.
Okay.
see, there is something called self-fulfilling
Ball,
prophecy.
ball pen, baseball.
हाँ.
हाँ, मैं आपको बोल रही हूँ, there is something called self-fulfilling prophecy. If I
Yes.
am going to tell myself that I will not remember and
Never.
present a doubt in my mind that I will not be
हाँ.
able to remember, it is going to happen that way only.
Yes. Yes.
That is
हाँ.
called self-fulfilling prophecy. मतलब जो हम लोग prophecy करते हैं कि नहीं याद रहेगा, that is only will come true because we are leading ourselves towards that.
हाँ.
Negativity.
Okay, so just keep that in mind and remember. Try and remember.
Yes, good है.
Okay, now the next, this is it's called what? It is called leg lifts. You are lifting the leg, so it is called leg lift. आ रहा है समझ में? Leg lift. Okay, अभी मैं, you can see.
Yes.
No, we can't see.
They can't
अभी-
see.
Yeah, now we can see.
We can see.
Now we can
हाँ.
see.
Leg lift.
अभी हाथ में सिर्फ आगे कर रही हूँ.
Oh. The back.
Hands we can't see.
Can't
हाँ.
see.
अभी
अरे वो
पैर
can't
को
see.
थोड़ा सा
Legs we
देखा,
can see.
पैर को
Leg
देखा
को
थोड़ा
पीछे.
सा,
Legs
पैर
we
को
can
देखा,
see.
मैंने
Yes.
सिर्फ उसको लिफ्ट किया है.
Yes.
Okay, where I went to the side. Okay, now इसमें क्या है? इसमें क्या involved है? We have to tell 10 items in a construction site. 10 items which are available on a construction site. ये करते
Okay.
हुए.
All right.
Sand.
Okay, what else?
Sand.
Brick,
चूना.
sand,
Brick.
water, cement,
Water. What else?
Iron. Iron.
paint,
Bricks,
Iron.
bricks.
Correct.
Bricks. Bricks.
Crane.
Bricks.
Brick.
Bricks.
Bricks. Crane.
Yes.
What else?
Bricks.
bricks.
Mortar.
Yeah.
Cement
सामने
mixing.
हाथ ले रही हूँ मैं.
Yeah.
Cement,
हाँ.
cement.
Cement mixing. Mortar.
Cement. Correct. दूसरा है
Yeah.
concrete.
Concrete.
Okay,
Paint,
trolleys for
Instru-
going up.
Instrument.
Bamboo.
Instrument.
Yes.
paint.
Bamboo. Bamboo.
Bamboo. Okay,
Bamboo.
all these things you have
Rope.
to be able to say it while actually doing the exercise. आ रहा है समझ में? This is
Yes.
called
Yeah.
leg lift.
Yes.
हाथ को
Leg
आगे
lift.
लेके जाइए and you are lifting the leg. That is why it is called a leg lift.
Leg
Okay,
lift.
and what we did was 10 items at the construction site. You can take 5 items if you want. 5
Yes,
items
yes.
next time बोलिए, next time दूसरे 5 items सोचने की कोशिश कीजिए. Okay, so this is the leg lifts. Okay, now the next one is high knee run with modification. So it is more or less
High.
similar to the jumping jack.
Yeah.
Okay, मैं पैर सिर्फ ऊपर ले रही हूँ.
Yeah.
Yes.
Simple exercises because we have another activity also at the same time. Same
Marching.
marching,
Like-
but with I am taking my knees up.
Up.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay,
Marching.
it's taking my knees up.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
now इसमें मुझे क्या करना है? That I have to start with at least 5 words starting with W. अभी बोलिए
W.
5 words starting with W.
Okay. We'll
Start.
say waist,
Word,
waist,
word. I started with
waist,
word.
अच्छा वेस्ट.
wrestler, wrestler,
Huh?
व्हील
Wrestler,
व्हील
wrestler.
waist,
व्हील
Wheel, very good.
wheel,
व्हील.
wheel,
वाटर.
Water.
water, wine,
Watch.
wine,
Watch.
वेबसाइट.
Watch.
वेबसाइट.
wine,
Watch.
वॉच. यस.
Watch. Okay, so आप ही देखिए कि एक टाइम
वेस्टेज.
अपने ये करते वक्त if you have said 5 words at one time, try and see that you think of different words the next time. You can also change the
Okay.
alphabet.
Okay.
Okay, but do both these things at the same time. That is why these physical exercises that way are quite simple. Okay, now the next one. एक थोड़ा सा इसको क्या बोलते हैं, जंपिंग, जंप आउट ऑफ स्क्वाट. तो इसमें मैंने अपने थाइस पे रखे हैं, थाइस पे मैंने ये रखा है एंड
Jump,
जंप.
jump. Now, from
Okay.
left to right,
ओके.
right to left. Yeah, right
Okay,
to
so
left,
jump out,
left to
jump
right.
out of squat, jump out of squat. इसमें अभी हम
Walk
लोगों को जंप आउट ऑफ स्क्वाट. ओके, इसमें अभी हम लोगों को क्या करना है कि कोई सिटीज स्टार्टिंग विथ एस, सिटीज
हाँ.
स्टार्टिंग विथ एस.
Spain, Spain, Scotland,
सिटी सिटी सिटी.
Spain, Scotland, Scotland,
Scotland. What
Scotland,
else? Cities, only cities.
Spain,
सिटी.
Scotland,
Spain, Scotland,
सूरत. सूरत.
Surat,
Surat.
correct. Surat,
Surat.
very good, very good.
सॉरी.
और कौन सा है?
Secunderabad,
सिकंदराबाद,
हाँ.
correct. What else?
Sikkim, Solapur,
Sikkim,
हाँ.
Okay.
शोलापुर.
Solapur,
Correct, very good.
Sholapur,
Okay, so
Secunderabad,
we took
Solapur,
five.
Srinagar,
While jumping out of squat, we took cities.
Srinagar,
Cities, Srinagar, very good. Okay, jump
Yeah.
out of squat, we took cities starting with the letter
Yes.
S. और हम लोगों ने 5 ये किए. Okay, now हम लोग the next exercise is speed skating. It's called speed skating. तो इसमें हम लोगों को क्या करना है, दिखाई दे रहा है ना आपको?
यस यस.
हाँ, पैर
ये.
को पीछे लिया,
पैर को पीछे लेना है.
पैर को मैंने पीछे लिया और मैंने अपने नीज को बेंड किया.
यस.
आगे लियो.
ओके ओके.
नीज को मैंने बेंड किया.
嗯
4 into 9, 36.
36,
108.
30,
4
Eight.
6 are 24.
Idea,
11 10s are 110.
70, 70,
70,
Okay, so what did I do?
tables,
squatting,
हाथ को साइड में लिया है and I
Right.
am bending my knees.
bending the knees,
Bending my knees. And at the same time, I am doing multiplication calculation. Multiplication calculation. Okay, so this is called speed skating in one place. Okay. Now the next exercise which they have said is, and this is the last one, then we will come on to those words which we were. So ये हम लोग 2 bottles ले सकते हैं या फिर हम लोग एक ही बॉटल से भी काम कर सकते हैं.
ओके ओके.
इसमें अभी हमको क्या करना है, वी आर सेइंग द डेज ऑफ द वीक इन रिवर्स ऑर्डर. रिवर्स
Okay.
ऑर्डर.
all right.
What is the reverse order?
Saturday, Friday,
Sunday, Saturday, Sunday, Saturday,
Tuesday,
Friday, Thursday,
Monday,
Wednesday,
Sunday.
Tuesday,
Very good. Very good. So Sunday, Saturday, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, Sunday.
Monday.
Correct?
yeah.
Okay.
Tuesday,
So we
Monday,
said the days of the week in
एक्सरसाइज कौन सी कर रहे हैं?
बोतल लेके एक्सरसाइज कौन सी?
बोतल किया,
हाँ।
बोतल
तो क्या करना है बोतल को?
साइड में रखा,
हाँ,
और पेंट करो
ऊपर लेके गई,
ऊपर।
3 टाइम्स राइट हैंड ऊपर लेके गई, नीचे करो, उसको ऊंचा करो, 5 टाइम्स राइट हैंड, 5 टाइम्स लेफ्ट हैंड। ओके, तो ये करते वक्त मैंने क्या किया, सेट द डेज ऑफ द वीक इन रिवर्स
Backward, backward, backward.
रिवर्स में।
backward. Yeah.
ओके,
Okay. So all these are exercises
left hand
of
में-
cardiomyelin.
लेफ्ट हैंड में कैसे करना है?
हाँ,
राइट हैंड में क्या? आपने राइट हैंड प्लीज शो मी अगेन। यस,
दोनों हाथ
राइट
से
में भी
मैंने
करना है,
पकड़ा
लेफ्ट में भी करना है।
Only the
हाँ।
side I am changing,
हाँ।
not the hand.
चेंज द साइड।
Only not the hand. Only side I am changing. Take a
Yes.
bottle, take it in your hand, and with both the hands hold the bottle on the side and take it up.
टेक इट।
क्या बोला है
Sure.
अभी मैंने इसमें? Days of the week रिवर्स
देख
करना है।
मंडे
Months
हाँ।
of the
डेज ऑफ
months of the year को भी आप रिवर्स कर सकते हैं,
रिवर्स, रिवर्स कर। ओके,
रिवर्स करना है। ओके,
ईयर्स को भी कर सकते हैं, ईयर, मंथ।
ईयर्स, हाँ वो भी कर सकते हैं। ओके,
But days
so
of the
all
week
these
is
are
better.
सब
Okay,
जॉइंट
so
भी हिल
all-
गए साथ में। सब जॉइंट की एक्सरसाइज हो गई।
जॉइंट की भी हो गई और वही टाइम पे कॉग्निटिव एक्सरसाइज भी हो गई। ओके, सो
नीज भी,
ऑल दीज
नीज का भी हो
एक्सरसाइजेस,
गया। नीज
हाँ?
का भी हो गया।
नीज का भी
नीज
हो
की
गई,
भी एक्सरसाइज।
करेक्ट। सो ऑल
Very
दीज
benefit.
आर cardiomyelin exercises. They
कार्डियोमिलन
are a little
एक्सरसाइज।
different. They are a little different.
Very
So
different.
I think, and it's enjoyable also, doing 2 things at the same
Yes.
time. It is enjoyable.
यस,
And if
यस,
we are really able
वेरी
to do
एंजॉय।
it, if we are really able to do it, we get that kind of joy and we feel
Yes.
happy that we have been able to do
Amrita,
it.
Amrita, yes, we
Our
just
knees
did
and our
mouth
legs should
exercises with Rusha. Can we just fill in the air and while doing the exercises, jumping and all, हम कर सकते हैं mouth, bring out the tongue, mouth exercises along with physical
हाँ,
body
ये करने के
exercises
बाद आप कीजिए, माउथ एक्सरसाइजेस भी कीजिए, that is also fine.
together with the physical.
What is
Along
that?
with the physical.
Along with the
आप
physical,
करवाएं, हाँ, along both together.
both together. That also I think you can do. But what I'm saying is कि ये जो है,
She got it
generally
from
what they are
Mendel.
saying, that they are saying it is emphasized that हम लोग जो physical exercise करते हैं, that benefits our brain also. It helps to rejuvenate our brain cells और हमारे ब्रेन में जो नर्व कनेक्शंस है उसको भी स्ट्रेंथन करने में मदद होती है।
Yes,
activate
Amrita.
करें।
She
Yes,
said
it
open
activates.
your tongue and this is for the brain.
Last 4
Yes.
minutes.
yes, last 4 minutes, can you please tell the
ब्रेन को पजल्स करना है, पजल करने का है इधर से उधर,
पजल करना है,
ब्रेन को।
बस पजल करना है।
हाँ,
What
yes.
we are trying to say all the time is ब्रेन को अपने कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर निकालना है,
बाहर लाना है, कंफर्ट जोन से
हाँ।
बाहर लाना है,
थोड़ी
Activate
करना है उसको।
हमारे
Okay.
बुद्धि को, हमारे ब्रेन को हमको थोड़ी तकलीफ देनी है।
यस,
तकलीफ
तकलीफ
नहीं देना
देना है,
चाहते हम लोग,
सुलाता, हाँ,
तकलीफ
आराम
नहीं
नहीं
देना
कराना,
चाहते कुछ भी।
सुलाना नहीं
You have to
उसको।
activate,
हाँ।
activate,
यस,
वही चीजें करते रहते हैं, वही चीजें
करते
करते
रहते
रहते हैं।
activate
उससे
करना।
थोड़ा सा बाहर निकल के कुछ अलग करने की
हाँ।
कोशिश करनी है। Now
अनकंफर्ट।
please tell me those words.
हाँ,
Very nice. It activates
Yes,
your brain.
वर्ड्स।
Yes, both body and brain at the same time.
Activate.
Your
Yes.
class is
Activation
very
knee,
unique.
knee,
Very
knee,
unique class
ankle
today.
and thigh. Knee, ankle and thigh. Third one.
नहीं नहीं नहीं, एंकल एंड नहीं था।
Knee, ankle and thigh, what are you talking?
Elbow, wrist and thigh.
Elbow, knee. Elbow,
wrist,
ankle, elbow, ankle and
No
thigh.
ankle. Elbow, wrist and thigh.
Elbow, wrist,
Shoulder.
and thigh. Very good.
Wrist and
Elbow, wrist,
shoulder.
and thigh. Very good.
हाँ,
Okay, group
Shoulder.
elbow,
work.
wrist and thigh.
Okay,
Then the
second set कौन सा था?
baseball
Second set.
ball.
Second set कौन सा था?
Baseball, golf,
Baseball,
golf,
golf, baseball, golf,
Ball,
and
football.
football, golf,
football.
Very
Golf.
good.
And
Very good.
marching.
फर्स्ट वाला बोलना, फर्स्ट वाला.
बेसबॉल,
Marching.
गोल्फ, फुटबॉल.
साइमन.
ये सेकंड सेट था. और दूसरा,
फर्स्ट वाला.
तीसरा,
साइमन.
First one, the
Salmon
first one,
and
dash, salmon and catfish.
हाँ?
कैटफिश. साइमन एंड कैटफिश.
And catfish.
हाँ, और पहला
Golf.
नहीं याद है.
first kind of fish
निर्मल.
which we
Nirmal.
Tuna. Tuna.
very
salmon.
good. Malhotra madam has got
Tuna.
it. She said tuna.
Tuna,
Very good.
salmon, salmon and catfish.
Tuna.
Very good. Very good. अगर आप
Catfish
हम लोगों
and
को भी
salmon.
रखेंगे तो उनको इतना ध्यान में रहेगा कि नहीं मालूम नहीं. आप लोगों को रहा, so I am really clapping
हाँ.
for you. Okay, so I'll just tell you one thing. हमारे पास 1 मिनट है ना? I think who's that? Paromita.
हाँ.
एक
हाँ,
मिनट
एक मिनट है.
मिनट है, लास्ट
हाँ.
1 मिनट. हाँ,
हाँ, लास्ट मिनट. एक ही सिर्फ मैं बोल रही हूँ कि एक एक्सपेरिमेंट किया गया और वहां पे यंग लोग भी थे और ओल्ड लोग भी थे. तो उसमें उन्होंने मैथमेटिकल कैलकुलेशंस दिए. तो वो मैथमेटिकल कैलकुलेशंस एक दिन दिए और फिर 2 दिन के बाद वही मैथमेटिकल कैलकुलेशंस उनको करने थे. तो अभी वो होने के बाद उन्होंने देखा कि ये जो यंग लोग हैं उनको वो आंसर ध्यान में रहते थे. तो वो ध्यान में रहा तो उन्होंने आंसर्स लिख दिए. पर ये जो ओल्ड पीपल है उनको लगा अरे मेरे को याद नहीं रहता है, मैं याद नहीं रख सकता हूँ. इसके लिए
ओके.
पूरे
हाँ.
कैलकुलेशंस उन्होंने वापस किए.
हाँ.
ओके, तो
हाँ.
दे जनरली डू नॉट ट्रस्ट देयर मेमोरी. आते थे
Yes.
पर लिखा नहीं. So we need to be
Hmm.
able to trust our own memory,
Oh,
but we also have to
हाँ.
work on
Yes.
it.
Yes.
That
Yes.
is the
I
only
can do
message
it.
that I wanted to give.
I can
हाँ.
do
Key
it. I
point.
will do it.
की
Yes,
पॉइंट है ये
I
आज
can
का.
do it.
Yes.
कोशिश
I
करने
can do
वालों
it.
की कभी हार नहीं
हार
होती.
नहीं होती.
Yes.
कोशिश
मैं कर
करने
सकती
वालों
हूँ,
की
मुझे
कभी
आता है.
हार नहीं होती.